Hello everyone. Today we will talk about modal verb would. A modal verb is used to indicate the mood or tense of the verb. It comes with other verbs to express the past tense of well, conditional, and repetition. So it expresses three things: past tense of well, conditional, and repetition. So we will start explaining each one of them. Before that, we need to know that the negative form of would is wouldn't or would not, as you can see on the slide. The first expression we have is past tense of well. We use would as the past tense of the modal verb well to talk about the past, things that happened in the past. I knew he would come. I knew he would come. The person that I'm talking about has already come in the past. So this is an action in the past. So this is why I used would, and it's expressing the past tense of well. Look at the second example. He would have finished his homework. He would have finished his homework. So I'm talking about a person that finished his homework already in the past. So here I'm talking about an action in the past. He would have finished his homework. Then we have the expression conditional. We use would to express conditional tone. We use it to talk about things that would happen if something else happened, or would have happened if something else happened. So when we have a condition and we have the word if, then we are expressing conditional tone. Look at the example. I would have won the marathon if my shoes weren't so tight. So here we are using would to express conditional tone because we have the word if and we have a condition that if it happened, something else would have happened. So this is the conditional tone. If you see if, you always remember the conditional tone. Then we have the third expression, repetition. We use would to speak about past habits, things that we used to do in the past many times. We use it to speak about repeated actions in the past, things that we used to do many times every day in the past. Look at the example. When she was young, she would always take a walk after lunch. So if I tell you what is would expressing here, you would say repetition. Why? Because first, we're talking about a habit in the past. When she was young, this is in the past, and it's a habit that she takes a walk after lunch every day. We have always. She would always take a walk after lunch. So this is a habit. So one more time, we have three expressions of would, conditional, past tense, and repetition. Here are more examples. For the conditional part, we have if we had a car, we would drive to work. So here we have if and we have a condition. So here we are expressing conditional. If he had gone to the party, he would have seen a lot of his friends. Here we also have a condition. We have the word if, so here we are expressing conditional tone. Then we have past tense of well, if you remember, talking about something that happened in the past. We thought we would arrive on time, but we were late. So, this is something that happened already. We thought we would arrive on time in the past. This is something that happened and was completed in the past. And then we have repetition. When I lived in the country, I would go for a walk in the woods every day. So here also I'm talking about a habit that I did in the past, something that I used to do repeatedly, but in the past. When I lived in the country, I would go for a walk in the woods every day, something that is repeated every day, but in the past. So I hope you enjoyed this grammar lesson, and I will see you in the next one.